Hi guys, money plant is a really commonly found plant and it is very easy to grow it. You know it's available everywhere and it grows in almost all kind of situations. So yes, in this video we're gonna talk about money plant and how to grow it. Money plant needs very minimum effort and care, yet it is one of the most beautiful plants that you can ever grow. You can grow money plant in both water and soil. But in water it takes a little bit of time since there is a little less availability of nutrients, but in soil it thrives really well because obviously more nutrients are available in the soil. Look for the nodes in a money plant. I have a money plant here. I'm going to show what are nodes. So this is a small cutting that I have and these are the nodes. Can you see? Can you figure out this part? These are the nodes. These tiny bumps that you see here, the ridges, these are the nodes. Snip off a money plant under the node and place it in water for about 4 to 8 weeks for it to develop some roots. This is the root. This long thing is the root and the smaller things are nodes. The reason you need to snip off the money plant under the node is because the nodes have growth hormones and growth hormones are needed for it to develop roots, like a proper root system. So that is why you need to look for the node. Do not cut money plant anywhere. It will grow but it will take a lot of time or it might just die sometimes. So always look for a node. Whenever you snip off a plant from the node, it grows really well. I have observed this. So yes, look for the nodes. Cut it only under the node. You can add hydrogen peroxide to the water in which you're putting your money plant stems to propagate. And hydrogen peroxide will help it to develop roots faster. If you want to grow money plant in your soil, mix potting soil, coco peat and compost in equal ratios and plant your money plant in it. You can also use sand for this. It is not necessary that you use good quality garden soil. You can also use normal sand for this. If you want to make your plant bushy, cut the vertical branches of the plant so that it invests in growing itself horizontally. So cut all the branches that are growing downwards or upwards and cut them so that the plant invests itself in horizontal growth over vertical growth. If you want your money plant to grow even faster, invest in a moss stick. Moss stick helps distributing water to the leaves also, and thus the leaves become bigger in size and your money plant also grows really healthily and grows really fast. I have noticed this. I recently got myself a moss stick and definitely it makes a lot of difference. Moss sticks might be available for 80 rupees, like the basic one is 80 rupees. So you can make it at your house or you can get it, but I got mine from outside because I didn't have moss with me. So yeah, I tied the moss stick to my plant using jute threads and it is amazing, guys. Like, moss stick is a must if you have plants like money plant, monstera or philodendrons. Like for this plant example, this is a moss stick. So this is a philodendron. It is almost like money plant but the leaves are a little different. So the moss stick helps in giving moisture, in distributing moisture to all the branches and leaves of the plant. This is the moss stick, guys. So that's about this video, guys. Money plant is really easy to take care of. Please don't worry, it's gonna grow. Sometimes the root might spoil or the root might get really the root might change into brown color, but it's fine, it will grow. Just cut off the parts, and if the leaves are turning yellow, cut out the leaves. If you find any yellow leaves, that means you're overwatering your plant. So don't water your plant until the soil is dry. Please do a finger test. Place your finger inside the soil like this, and if the soil is wet, do not water it. Until it's dry, water it only when it's dry. So that's about the video, guys. I hope you like it and I really hope that this video helps you in taking care of your money plants. Yes, guys, go along, plant as many money plants as you want. They look so pretty. There are so many kind of money plants with different patterns, colors. Please check them out. Until next time, bye guys.